So we've just arrived at Kashmir Waterfall, but there's a slight problem. We're on the wrong side of the road, so I don't know how we're going to get across. So I was wondering how we were going to get across the river, and then I'm told we're getting into this. Oh my god, look at this. So we've got a guy here who's hand cutting potatoes and vegetables for pakoras, so let's try some. Oh. So these have come fresh out of the fryer. The batter on them is super light and crispy, well seasoned, a little bit of masala spice, perfect snack. The pakora is ubiquitous in Pakistan. You'll find them everywhere you go, so you'll get good ones, you'll get bad ones, and luckily today we've found some good ones.